Welcome to the Digital Transformation Canvas. I am Marc, the Digital Prof, and today we cover step 2 of the digital transformation journey. In the center of digital transformation are the 7 action fields of digital transformation, and the workshop canvas is at the core of step number 2. Step number 1 was our digital maturity assessment to determine the digital maturity of the firm. It allows a debate on how much digital change is required in your organization. In step number 2, we will ideate, brainstorm ideas for our digital transformation. And the tool which we use for that is the workshop canvas of digital transformation. It is a tool that will engage your employees. The idea of the canvas is to utilize the combined experience and knowledge of your employees, basically by asking them where you could improve, where customers could benefit from new digital technology, and which projects would help you to succeed in the digital age. It is a 3-step process, and we start with the workshops. They normally last for 1 day. And in that workshop, you will present the 7 topics, the 7 action fields to your employees, and they will brainstorm for each action field how good of an organization you are, whether you're doing your job or not, and where opportunities are to improve, because your employees know best what your customers want, and they know best which processes don't work at the moment. And through debate, you will ideate digital projects and initiatives for your digital roadmap. In step 2, we will review all collected ideas from your workshops. Normally, together with the executive teams, you will spend 1 day to review groups of strategic potential projects, and you will have a conversation regarding your risk appetite for change, whether there is a market for that digital initiative, the new digital products and services, whether you have the resources, whether you have the money and time to actually work on these strategic initiatives. The result is a prioritization of all digital opportunities there are. You might use a visualization aid, such as this one, to determine where you have the highest, most profound business impact and what is feasible for the type and size of your organization to succeed. Following that workshop with the executive team, you will collect all approved strategic initiatives and projects on the digital roadmap. It is your documentation that will guide strategy implementation. The workshop canvas, Digital Transformation, is available for free. Use the QR code or visit the digitaltransformationcanvas.com. This is step number 2 of that important digital transformation journey, all described in the brand new book available now and as endorsed by academics and executives across the globe.